Alright, we got some new eggs that just hatched. Here we got 59 and Pistolero. First year mama. It's doing good. Got two little guys just hatched today. Right here we got Peaches and Red Scammer. These guys hatched too. Two little guys. Let's guess the color. Are they gonna be red or yellow, or we're gonna get two red? Here's Pongchek and Rish too. Their babies hatched. Two babies in there. She said, "Me, mama." Nice job. All right, got an eggshell. That's Shot and Lady Mona. Should be on babies. Aggressive. We got one, two. So two heads. All right. Take your eggshell. 1, 2. Okay. Calm down. Some Lady Mona and Shot. Got their two today. And the beard old them. I believe I already said they got theirs. Dirty Blue. And 1, 2. The Johnson Bird and Tim Sublime. 1, 2. That's job, Mama. I'm actually gonna try your baby out this year. Right, Big B and Omega 42 just hatched their babies today. Good job, Mama. This baby should have hatched. So Alpha's the little guy. Lady Ash is already super big, so we'll have to see if we need to do a little switcheroo somewhere. So Alpha 41 just hatched today. Lady Ash was like 3 days ago, and that's the size difference. 3 day apart. So nice job, Uncle Red and Indie Girl. Let's go. So that's Shot's baby compared to Alpha 41s. I think these two might have a good chance getting evenly fed. Well, Princess finally laid her first egg. Princess times Rich 1. These guys are super behind, so hopefully these eggs are fertile. She got one in. So pigeon, here we got Wolverine Purple Heart, nest mate to Squeaky. Squeaky is still too small, so the band number is not gonna be next to his nest mate. So let's start off with 13554. That's who Squeaky's nestmate gonna be banded with. So I got 3 birds to band today. We'll start with this guy. A little bit older than the other two. Size-wise, at least. They were all hatched around the same time. So through. Weapon today is a little piece of wire. This was a wire that held the loose 5. So I'll stick it through the 4th toe. Little opening. Pull that wire through. And there you go. Guide that 4th toe over. So there's this guy. Nice healthy little guys. Put this one back. Okay, here we got bull times Lady Hoban. Nice and plump babies. I don't know what color you are. Got some black feet. Both blue bars. Somebody in the family, either the mom or the dad, has some dirtiness in it. I'm thinking it's the Lady Hoban. Johnson is who I got these birds from, and he has a lot of pides and splashes off of these Hobans that he has. So this baby's gonna be 13555. Little wire. Little man, here you go. 1355. Well, got some blood. I'm not sure who the blood is coming from. Maybe from this baby. Aggressive mom slapped the crap out of my hand. Must have got a hold of the baby a little bit and nicked her. Should be alright though. A lot of blood. Alright. Well, I guess you might have just earned your name. We'll call you Bloody Wing. Since your mom decided to give you that name, Bloody Wing. 13556. New name is Bloody Wing. I have no idea how she made her bleed, but she got some hard slap. Must have hit the baby in the right spot. Alright. Well, Bloody Wing. Hopefully it's just a little minor cut. Here you go. 13556. Get your blood all over me. Crazy mama, super protective. So this is the mom. Well, this is Lady Hoban. Super protective mom, very aggressive. She's only a 2nd-year hen. Yeah, she must be super comfortable with me because she don't care at all. She hit her baby's wing, caused this wing to bleed, and that's how 13556 earned his name, Bloody Wing. Look at that. Hard slaps. Even that hurts my knuckles. Playing bloody knuckles with me. Alright. Well, bull times Lady Hoban. Good luck to your babies. SVR $5 update. Getting their feathers in. So Mr. Whiteflight looks like he got some white speck on his head too. It's gonna be black with some white. He grew some white flights on the other wing too. Didn't see that earlier, but should have a general idea. Healthy babies. Well, here's Bloody Wing. You can see her little cut that was right here. Mama slapped so hard that caused her to bleed. These two babies are doing good. Bands are still on. It's a matter of waiting for them to grow up now. Squeaky next to her nestmate. Double the size, but she's a fighter. She eating. Mom and Dad's doing a great job taking care of Squeaky. So I'm just gonna let them be. Looks like Squeaky's getting fed pretty damn well. And I think he's gonna make it. One step closer. Picked up my 2 crates and I got Tim's too. Some big boys. From what I've told, this should be able to house or hold 40 birds in here comfortably. We gotta figure out a system with the club, because we're all gonna take turns driving up to Limits and Hudson, where the truck is. I think from what I've been told, we're gonna be transporting about 8 of these. So Tundra is maxed out at 4. I should be able to use my truck to train to train my team out of these crates comfortably. So that's that for now. One step closer to flying professionally with the big boys.